This is the AI News Flash for May 27th, 10 p.m. UTC. First up, Bloomberg reports Marvell Technology shares surged in after-hours trading following Q1 earnings. As AI-fueled data center demand drove an upbeat forecast confirming the second-phase rotation in AI infrastructure beneficiaries, Marvell's data center business posted strong year-over-year revenue growth, with Q2 guidance topping consensus estimates. The four hyperscalers' $725 billion combined 2026 capex is driving demand for high-speed optical interconnects and custom silicon, with structural shortages in 800 gigabit and 1.6 terabit modules for NVIDIA's Blackwell and Vera Rubin GPUs. Corning, Lumentum, Coherent, Credo Technology, and Marvell are emerging as key AI optical interconnect winners. NVIDIA's GTC 2026 announcement of silicon photonics in the Feynman architecture is accelerating the trend. Institutional investors are rotating into AI infrastructure Phase 2 beneficiaries, marking a key 2026 milestone. Next, Reuters reports. Synopsys, the world's largest EDA semiconductor design software vendor, raised its annual revenue and profit forecast on surging demand for AI chip design tools, marking a decisive moment for AI implementation in semiconductor design. Synopsys is benefiting from explosive demand for AI chip design across NVIDIA Blackwell, Vera Rubin and Feynman AMD Instinct MI400, and Broadcom custom ASIC programs. Design tool demand for TSMC 2nm advanced nodes is surging, with AI agent-driven design automation features and enterprise AI chip design platforms entering full monetization. Synopsys joins Cadence Design Systems as the dominant EDA duopoly riding the AI semiconductor design wave. NVIDIA's $2 billion strategic investment in Synopsys established a clear differentiation. Institutional investors are rotating into AI semiconductor ecosystem peripheral beneficiaries, positioning this as a critical 2026 milestone for AI chip design. Third story. NBC News reports the Illinois Legislature passed a historic AI regulation bill just before the weekend session deadline, marking a decisive moment for state-level AI regulation in the United States and signaling broader nationwide impact. The Illinois bill imposes transparency requirements on high-risk AI systems, mandatory notification for AI use in employment and hiring decisions, minor protection rules for AI chatbots, deepfake prohibitions, consumer disclosure obligations, and watermarking requirements for AI-generated content, establishing a comprehensive framework with major nationwide ripple effects. Illinois joins Colorado, California, and Texas in the wave of state-level AI regulation, sharpening the conflict with the White House push for unified federal regulation, with 38 states pursuing independent AI laws and the Commerce Department caught in the federal versus state authority battle. Plus, AI industry super PACs like Leading the Future spending over $125 million all lobbying. This directly links to the 2026 midterm elections. Next up, Amazon Web Services announced that Verizon Connect, a Verizon subsidiary, has scaled its agentic AI platform to 100,000 users, marking a decisive milestone for enterprise agentic AI commercialization with concrete deployment success. Verizon Connect's AI implementation serves 1.2 million active vehicle subscriptions, generating 500 million daily data points across 80,000 indicators. With the AI system processing 1,500 requests per minute by leveraging Amazon Nova 2 Lite, they achieved a remarkable 70% cost reduction versus Claude Haiku 4.5. The Operational Insights feature launched in November 2025 uses the Strands Agents SDK for full agentic AI architecture deployment. Amid the $725 billion hyperscaler capex boom, enterprise agentic AI is going mainstream. Salesforce Agentforce, Microsoft Copilot Studio, Google Agent Space, and ServiceNow AI Control Tower are battling for enterprise AI agent supremacy. This AWS-based large-scale agentic AI success story positions Verizon Connect as a critical 2026 milestone for enterprise agentic AI deployment.
Final story, Hudson Institute senior fellow Michael Sobolik issued a warning that Beijing has begun enforcing travel bans on AI researchers employed at private Chinese AI companies, marking a decisive moment in the U.S.-China AI talent war.
Hudson's warning highlights that China's government is restricting international travel for researchers at private Chinese AI firms, launching a full-scale strategy to prevent AI talent outflow. In response to U.S. semiconductor export controls, China is doubling down on domestic AI talent retention, strategic shifts in AI technology secrecy, and a new phase in global AI talent competition. Soboleek urgently calls for U.S. education investment to strengthen domestic AI talent pipelines. With Huawei Ascend AI chips, DeepSeek V4 open source strategy, and Alibaba Cloud's 5-year $100 billion AI infrastructure commitment, China is accelerating its fully self-sufficient AI stack. As U.S. export controls on NVIDIA H200 licensing remain contested and the U.S.-China AI tech stack divide hardens, ahead of Trump's pre-APEC China visit and pending U.S.-China AI summit, this positions as a critical 2026 U.S.-China AI geopolitical milestone. That's all for this AI Newsflash.